Okay, here we go. Oh, delicious. Yeah. It's been brought to my attention that I might need to put a little bit more drama that happens in the Marshall family on these vlogs. And this is one of them. It's drama for me that when I go in a store and I come out and it's pouring rain and I'm just wearing flip-flops and no umbrella, there's some drama for the vlog, okay? So that way you know everything is not hunky-dory. Sometimes there's rain like this. And all you can do is just wait for the cloud to pass, and you just hang out under here, and then you go back to your car and you go home where it's dry. This is pretty fun. Honestly, I'm having a blast because I love this stuff. So it's not even really drama because, yeah, it sucks getting wet and I don't like that feeling of wearing cotton and being soaking wet. But this is pretty fun. I only have to go from here down the sidewalk to there. I'm so close to nice, dry clothes. I just have to make it like 50 feet and I'm waiting for this rain to die. I'm gonna have to just go for it. Ready? Got everything? Okay, here goes. Did it. Did you hear that thunder? Still going. Did you hear that?
Yes, I did. After just like 30 minutes of rain. It's not even a hurricane. Whoa. So crazy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
So we're just on our way to pick up the girls for school.
We're taking the river. Taking the river to school today.
We decided to take the river. No, we're not in Venice. This is not Venice, ladies and gentlemen.
It's not even Houston or Miami.
And no, we're not in Houston or Florida.
We're not in a hurricane.
This is just some rain in Cozumel, that's all. There we go. Big old fat rain. Oh, Adrian, what are you doing following me? Sorry. Oh, that's so great. Here.
What else am I supposed to do?
Alright, get in, get in.
It's raining, go swim. Without floaties even though I just fly.
Okay, go
And
ahead.
I'm still learning how to swim. Rainbow! What?
Whoa.
So beautiful. There's some orangish, pinkish clouds.
We're driving right towards it.
Watch out!
Okay, today is moving day for the House of Marshall, which means basically we're gonna go get all of our suitcases from our friend's house. We're gonna bring them to our new house. This house is actually right next door to the very first house we had when we first came to Cozumel literally 5 years ago. We cannot believe it. It's a happy little circle. Fun fact, tomorrow is Mexican Independence Day. So they are celebrating their independence from Spain, much like the United States celebrated their independence from England, blah, blah, blah. That's a fun thing for you to think about this week, is what does independence mean for you?
That they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom!
First leg of the move down, and it is hot, 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 hot. Heidi and I are sweating like a couple little sweaty piggy pigs. Oh, it's hot.
September.
It's September. That's just what life is like in September in Cozumel. It's just a wet little wet place. Time to move, but I'm actually going to be hauling stuff instead of filming, so it's not really that interesting to show you what moving looks like, so I'm just gonna skip that. Just let's pretend that the next time I see you, we'll have all of our stuff in our house. Bye. Viva Mexico! Viva Mexico! Okay, count of three.
1, 2, 3.
Viva Mexico!